For today's video, we are using $1.50 items from Dollar Tree in the patriotic section. So we're going to start out with these super cute bows. These are the ones that have glitter. And then I picked up some shower rings in the shower area, also $1.50. I had the yarn on hand, and so we're also using some hot glue. We're going to add some hot glue on our ring, and I did go ahead and secure the rings together. And then we're going to use our yarn and we're going to wrap our yarn all around the rings. This is, a tiny bit time consuming, but put on a show or a book and you're going to wind away and the time will go by quickly. So once we have our rings all covered with our yarn, we're going to add some glue in the area where they connected together, and then we're going to put our glittery bow there. And that is it for this one. We're going to make some super cute napkin rings. We had some adorable silverware that's also sparkly, and so I picked up some of those and I picked up this banner. We're going to take the banner apart so that we only have the paper pieces, and then we're going to find like pieces and put them together. We're going to have the front parts facing out. We're going to be using some glue. I'm using some hot glue here, but if you didn't have any hot glue, you could use a glue stick for this because this is paper, and so it would be easily glued together with paper. So this is a project that could be done with kids as well. So once we get our glue only on the edges, we're going to put our like sides together and we're going to make sure that they are even. And then once they're even, we're just going to lay it right down. We do have the top open. So once we have that dried, we're going to take a knife, a spoon, and a fork, and we're going to stick it into the top. And this makes an adorable silverware holder. I love this one. Let me know what you guys think about this and if you're going to make it yourself. I thought these cups were adorable. They had three different kinds, but I liked the popsicle look. Now I'm struggling here with the lid, but these actually just sort of pop off. So if you are looking for a cup, these are plastic. They do not have the metal on the inside. I also took some floral foam and I'm using my this is really for pool noodles, but it works well on the floral foam as well. And then I'm going to stick that into our cup. I also stick a little bit of an extra piece in there because as you can tell, I cut this crooked. So we're going to go ahead and put it up in the top. And then I found this beautiful floral bush at Hobby Lobby. This was, I think, $11, but you get quite a bit of florals. I didn't use them all for this project, and I think I'm going to go back and get another one, but I thought that they were really pretty. I don't know about you guys, but my Dollar Tree did not have any red, white, and blue florals this year, so I wasn't able to get them there, but maybe your guys's did. Let me know if they did down in the comments because I was kind of surprised, honestly. But we're just going to go ahead and cut these apart using my wire cutters, and we're going to put them into our cup and make this adorable centerpiece. I think it turned out absolutely stunning, and I hope you guys recreate this one because it is adorable. So I tend to sometimes skip these like foam scatter pieces. They're very glittery and I'm not really one for glitter, but I picked up the scatter pieces and I picked up these cups and we're going to make a really cute little centerpiece idea. Now you could put this in your decor too. So you could put it like on a tiered tray or behind something if you need like a filler in a shelf. That would be really cute. But we're going to remove the lids and the straws, and these actually light up, and I'm going to show you guys at the end of this little piece how they light up. And I'm trying to figure out like if you have to pull, there's like a little piece to pull and then a button to push, and I was thinking, well, does it ever turn off? And just so you know, it does. So we're going to take this scatter piece and we're going to just take one bag. It takes one bag to fill the cup. So I picked up 3 bags of the fillers and 3 cups. And I'm going to use this on a centerpiece idea at the end of this video. But this is it for this one. It's super easy. I also picked up these hats, and so we're going to put the hats on top just to kind of cover the whole of the lid. If you don't want to glue them on, you don't have to glue them on. I did because I wasn't going to use these cups, but if you thought that this might be something that you wanted to use later, you wouldn't have to glue them on. But I think this turns out so cute, and it's such a really easy and fun way to kind of give some like extra pizzazz into your either table or a shelf. But once we get our hats glued on, I'm going to show you how it lights up, and it's just so adorable. I hope you guys make this one. So I wanted to show you guys what these kind of all looked like together on a table. So I picked up a table runner. I also picked up some plastic cups. I picked up some paper plates, and I picked up some paper napkins. So for my 4th of July, I usually spend it camping. And so this table could be recreated for a camping. We're going to take these towels. These are just some dish towels that I got. And all we're going to do is fold them in half. And these are going to be our placemats. Now, the genius part of this is that you could use them as like towels or napkins if you wanted to. Like if you were eating something really messy, then they would have like a built in extra cloth, which is, I think, genius. If not, and you just want to use them as the tablecloth, I think they're super cute. Or not a tablecloth, but the placemats. So I am using these chargers because we're inside here. I won't take my chargers camping, but the rest of this could be recreated for a camping or outside event as well. So I'm using the table runner. It's a plastic table runner, so it makes a great piece if you're definitely outside or have little ones. But we're going to put our flowers in the middle. We're going to use our little cute cups that we made, and then we're just going to put out our plates and our napkins. And of course, we're going to use our napkin rings. I think this tablescape turned out so adorable. And remember, we only used items from Dollar Tree that were $1.50. So these are all ones that you can go get for inexpensive, and you can have a super cute tablescape like I do for 4th of July. I'm so excited to put this out when we go camping. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got some inspiration, and I can't wait to know down in the comments which one you're going to recreate for yourself. I would love to know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, friends.